Hi, I'm Chelsea Gallipo. I'm one of the physician associates here at HRMN Health. I'm going to show you how to put on a Freestyle Libre 3 CGM, which stands for continuous glucose monitor. Why are these helpful? Because then we can see, for me, I'm a diabetic, so I wear them all the time. But for non-diabetics, it can be helpful to see how food affects your blood sugars and how your body responds to that. And so we can see if you're a high carb diet, we can see that you can see these huge glucose fluctuations between highs and lows, and it can be very helpful to track what we eat and how our body responds. So I'm gonna show you how to put one on because a lot of people are scared of these, but it is so simple. So this is a Freestyle Libre 3. You do have to download the app on your phone, which is Freestyle 3 Plus, technically. And so you just take it out of this box, comes in a little thing like this. You just untwist it, and then generally they're put on the back of the arm. This is Ashley, she's our new NP. So we put it on the back of the arm, and then you push this device in, just like that, a little wiggle, and then it is on. So it's pretty small, like the size of a nickel. And then what you'll do is with the app, you just put your phone over the top of this and then it activates the sensor. And then it's on for 15 days. You can shower, you can go in a hot tub, you can do all of those things with it. After the end of the 15 days, you just rip it off like a bandaid. If you have any other questions regarding a Freestyle Libre CGM, please contact the office and one of us can help you.